Hello everyone, this is Dr. John here, and today's topic I want to talk about is what's called form recognition. Now, form recognition is a part of the sensory nervous system. I haven't really heard it talked about outside of quantum neurology, but it is a very important aspect of the sensory nervous system that gets overlooked. Now, what it is sometimes whether you have some trauma from an object and that object has an energetic imprint from its shape on the body and possibly the bioenergetic field of the body. And without that recognition, your body doesn't know how to heal that. And so that trauma wound or just trauma, blunt trauma, surgical trauma, has a harder time healing, as well as even if it has scar tissue and looks healed, the incorporation of the nervous system to take in those tissues as if they were healed and utilized through the system is not always present. So in that aspect, that's a really important aspect for form recognition. As an example, I had a patient the other day with a dental injury, and for form recognition, he had a needle that hit a nerve and caused some nerve damage and tongue damage. And when we tested out the nerves for his cranial nerves, which are the brain nerves, his tongue nerve was inhibited. So when he stuck out his tongue any direction, we muscle tested it and the muscle went weak. I found an object in my office that was, cylindrical like a needle, pointed like a needle, and I found a nail for hanging pictures. And I used that to help the body recognize that shape and the angle it went in. And after correcting that using quantum neurology, the tongue felt different to him, less numbing, as well as it was stronger when we tested it. So that's one aspect of form recognition. Some other aspects of form recognition are if there's something that happened and there's a color that was present, then anytime that color is shown, it can elicit a negative response in the body or a certain shape. And the shape can be as simple as square, circular, round, or whatever, but the shape can also be masculine and feminine shapes. And I've dealt with those in my office. Whether you're not able to recognize or you glance over it as what it is. Most people would see a round shape as more feminine. Some people would see a more sharp angled shape as more masculine. And sometimes people don't. And there's a reason behind it. Sometimes it goes into an emotional thing. Sometimes also people with certain dyslexic issues, words, numbers, letters are shapes, are forms. And so correcting this from an outside perspective of them looking at something versus something being shadowed onto them and testing their body, we can start to check the nervous system of how it reacts to letters, words, numbers, shapes, colors. And that can help with some reading issues, or has helped with some reading issues that I've personally helped with. So these are a lot of different, this has such a broad way of helping people neurologically that I find it indispensable. So I hope this gives you some insight in why quantum neurology is so powerful. But if you have any questions or comments, please leave below. If you're looking for a quantum neurology person nearby you, if they are nearby you, go to the Quantum Neurology website. And hope everyone has a blessed day.